Are you curious about Wise and Easy money transfer? Let's dive into how they compare. Both Wise and Exi help you send money across borders. They make transferring cash easy and fast. But how do they stack up against each other? First, let's look at Wise. Wise is known for its transparent fees and real exchange rates. It's designed for people who want to save money on international transfers. You can send money to many countries with just a few clicks. Wise is great for personal use and small businesses. Now, let's talk about XC Money Transfer. XC has been around for a long time. It offers a wide range of services, including currency exchange and money transfers. XC is user friendly and provides a secure way to send money. It's popular among travelers and businesses that deal with multiple currencies. What are the key differences? Wise focuses on low fees and real rates. XZ has a broader service range, including tools for tracking exchange rates. When it comes to features, Wise shows you the exact fees before you send money. XE offers a currency converter and market analysis, which can be helpful if you are into trading or investing. In terms of pricing, Wise usually has lower fees for personal transfers. XE may have higher fees but offers more services for businesses. In the end, if you want the best rates and low fees, Wise is the way to go. If you need more services and tools for currency management, XC might be a better fit for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.